I went out to Bed Bath & Beyond and found a commercial grade portable and folding adjustable garment rack. A few days later, it arrived at the house, and now it's time to put it together. Come here, let's see if we can open it.
Okay.
Oh, you gonna pull?
Yeah.
All right, pull.
Pop.
Oh, you got it open. All right, let's see what else. Oh, look at this. What is it? It's a rack.
Rack.
A rack.
Yeah.
Shall we just turn it over? Here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come here. Ready? Alright, it doesn't want to come out that way either. Let's see what we can do. Pull this one out. Pull. Oh, put it on the floor. We'll get the next one. Here's one more.
Mama.
One more.
Mama.
Oh, look at that. What is that? Oh, more. Okay, there's two. What do you think is more? What else do you think's in here? More?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Mama.
Here, you read the instructions while I finish opening the box.
No.
No? You don't want to read the instructions? Whoa. Whoa. Alright, I don't see anything else. Can we assume we have it all?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, do you want to hand me the instructions? Or do you think we can do it without it? Hand me the paper. Is it still in one piece? Alright, where's number one?
Huh?
Where's number one? Instrucciones.
Huh?
Instrucciones por el soporte comercial.
Huh?
Well, let's use this one. Number one. Alright, number one. We got to bring this up. Woo. That's number one. Number two, we do it again and put them together. That seems relatively easy. Come here, help me. Come here, come here. Come here. We're going to put the two together. What do you think? Be careful swinging that thing. All right. Here, let's put these on the chair. Put it on the chair and pick this one up. Come here. Pick this up and put it inside there. You do that one. You do that one. Put it inside there. Pick it up a little bit. There you go. Not that much. Just a little bit. There you go. Now put it inside there. Oh yeah. Watch your fingers now. All right. Here we go. They should slide together really easy. That's looking better. We're going to help it out a little bit. We're going to use gravity. Okay? So we're going to push that little button on the side, and it should all fall in place, right? Should. Should. That one is. There you go. Did you hit it some more? Do we need to hit on it some more? Easy. Don't break it before I get it put together. Easy. No, don't hit the floor. Whoa. All right. Careful, you're going to hit yourself in the head. All right. What are we going to do with these? On the top?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like, well, you got it figured out. You're right. Put it in there. Snap the little button. Whoa. Put it in there. Snap the little button. Okay, hand me that one. Put it in there. Snap the button. Now this one, we got to snap 2 buttons at once. That might be interesting. That one worked. And that one worked. Check it out, Colton. Okay, what are these for? What are they for? Okay, maybe we're going to have to read the instructions to figure it out, you think? How about that? That was quick and easy, wasn't it? No problem whatsoever. My helper has left me. So now I've got 2 screws. Put the screw into the little hole. And they provide a screwdriver. And this goes right into there. A real screwdriver would make this easier. However, this is getting the job done. 1 more screw and we have a rack put together. There we go. I got it together using the tools that are provided. We are tight. Mission accomplished. A couple little pieces of plastic still need to be cut off, but we can do that later with some dikes. Mission accomplished. Rack completed.